This is the video that I should tell you why to subscribe and like all my videos. But instead of telling you why don't I show you? Oh shoot! I fell asleep! Oh no, the world's gonna end!
You deserve no forgiveness! Content! Wake up! Wake up! Come on!
Oh jeez! Oh my gosh! Oh gosh! Am I
Really, Content? Who's that?
Ladies, good show. If you like this video, consider checking out some of my other videos and give me some feedback, and maybe subscribe. Before you click off of this video, I just want to mention that the next few videos might take a while because I've got summer school and I'm graduating from 8th grade. Woohoo! So the next video should be pretty crazy though, with some action videos, more cooking with butterfly, and the last and final episode of the science videos.